The bicycle taxi is a product which can be already found in the market in all continents. Most of the bicycle taxis already in the market can take up to 2 passengers, with another person being the chauffeur. Questionnaires were filled in with the aid of customers who would eventually be making use of the bicycle taxi. Various functions were asked to be rated according to their importance to the customer. The most important factors which interest the customers are the aesthetics, the comfortability, and the pricing. Some technical research was also carried out to obtain information regarding any specifications which the bicycle taxi might need and any possible signs as stated by the law. Brainstorming sessions were carried out, where 10 concepts were generated. Key features were highlighted in each concept, until 2 concepts were narrowed down and eventually the best concept was chosen.
An embodiment stage was taken into consideration to select the specific materials and identify location of stresses. An FMEA was done together with the model to identify possible failures and defects, whilst a safety factor was taken into consideration.
Detailed design was carried out using computer-aided design software and ANSYS. The design procedure required modeling of separate sub-assemblies. The chassis. Detailed design of the chassis was carried out in order to maximize stability in a number of scenarios, such as turning rapidly or moving up an incline. Low alloy steel was used as the material for the chassis, since it meets the requirements of strength and stiffness. The CAD model of the chassis was then exported to the ANSYS software, where an FEA was carried out to confirm the safety. Transmission. This is needed to transmit power by means of chain sprockets. The driver must be able to transmit power to the rear wheel, aided by an electric motor. Interior. The interior modeling consists of foldable seats, space consideration for wheelchair, space for luggage, and all the necessary safety ergonomics. Exterior. As part of the exterior design, a streamlined body was generated, meeting the requirement for aesthetics and emotional design. Various characteristics of the external body include panoramic roof, ramp access for wheelchairs, and other small components such as adequate light and side mirrors.
The next step was to look into the DFX. The DFA was first completed to see how all parts were to combine together, and therefore the possible processes which one needs, like welding, drilling, etc. From there on, the DFM was generated, where the best layout for the manufacturing plant was chosen in order to have the maximum efficiency. Appropriate processes were also outlined and chosen according to the product's function and role.
Without marketing, the product would not sell. Therefore, marketing strategies were carried out, outlining the features of the bicycle taxi and comparing them to others already in the market. Selling points giving us a competitive advantage in the market include wheelchair access by means of a ramp, regenerative braking, and a mobile app. This serves as a speedometer, battery status reader, and GPS system.